Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. I'm Philly P. If it's your first time here, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Today we got a little video, you guys. We're going to be lighting up some fireworks. We got some rockets right here. I believe these are just salutes. Then we got a BDH. This is a strobe rocket, a monster. These are pretty old, so we'll see what they do. We got a 3-inch salute right here. Then we got this right here, you guys, this Mamba Forever 24. Then we got a monster cam we'll be doing, a little cherry, and a gold top. So yeah, let's start getting out there, lighting it up. It's pretty cold right now. All right, guys, strobes tonight. All right, we're gonna start off with this little cherry bomb. All right, now we got the bigger one. All right. Oh. BSR rocket. Go a little bit more back with this one, just in case. Go ahead like that. No, get back. All right, go ahead and grab that 3-inch single shot.
Let's try this baby boy out right here.
Salute.
Custom made.
Take that one out there. Send it. Low strobe. I'd like to shove it back up. All right, we got a strobe rocket. Send it. Get back from it. Yeah. Hell yeah. All right, monsters, this one should be whistle. Monster rocket, guys. Kato. From Outlaw Pyro. Ooh, nice. Very nice for a 200 grammer.